Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another series of Teaching Guru. And in this session of ours, we will be learning how to bridge, like how to integrate our WordPress website along with our Facebook. Now, this integration helps us in a lot of ways. Like if I talk about why integration is important, then you must have seen that if you are visiting, let's consider the case of an e-commerce industry only. If you're visiting to any e-commerce website, then the moment you come back to your own Facebook page or Facebook account, you must be seeing that the ads are following you, right? So what happens that Facebook knows about the person who are going to their website, right? Based on his knowledge of the customers coming down to website, he targets an ad. Right? These kind of ads are known as remarketing ad. In order to make a remarketing ad to Facebook, you need to have the information of the audience which is coming down on your website, right? In order to have that, you need to bridge both the platforms, like you need to bridge your Facebook along with your WordPress website. Now this bridging is done with the help of Facebook Pixel, right? So that was a basic introduction of Facebook Pixel. Now let's just start how to integrate the Facebook Pixels along with our WordPress website, right? So this is one of the sample Facebook page of mine, and in order to reach down to the interface from where you log in, from where you get the Facebook pixel, you just need to click on the drop down from where you log out and click on create ads. The moment you are on this create ads interface, you'll see on the left hand side bottom there is written close. Simply close that interface, and on the left hand side top you can see it's written as ads manager. Fine, just simply click on this ads manager and you'll see a whole lot of options. In these options only you'll find pixels. Fine, now I've clicked on the pixel part. Now I've got an interface something like this. Now out here it's written create a pixel. You just simply need to create a pixel. Click on that, and I need to write out here DG Guru pixels. You may give pixel any name, it is just for your understanding. These names won't be visible to anyone apart from you. Fine, so once I've given my preferred name, I'll click on create, and you can see the processing happening. And fine, now we would be having few options from here, right? Now out of these three options we would be choosing manually install the code yourself, right? Just simply click on that part and slide down, and the moment you slide down you see a small area getting blue as soon as you hover the mouse over it. Just simply click on it, just one click, and you see it's entirely copied. Fine, it's copied. Now we have copied the pixel code. Now what we need to do is we need to paste this code in our WordPress website. For that, let's go back to the WordPress website. So this is my website, right? So if I'll go on the instructions, it is clearly written that the paste the pixel code at the bottom of the head section, fine, and just above the closing head tag. So you can see this thing is written as closing head tag / head tag, means closing head tag. Now means we need to paste this code in the head section. Let's go back. So out here there are two ways to do it. So in this video I would be teaching you the way in which you would be pasting this code with the help of a pixel. Now in order to install a pixel, you just simply need to go to this section and click on add new, and the pixel that we require is conversion and remarketing by NEEAGH by Niag. Fine, Niag is the name of the owner. Oh, I did the spelling mistake. It has to be M-A-R by N-E-E-A-P-H. Fine, here we go. Fine. So this is that uh, 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 plugin through which we need to, we'll be using in order to install that pixel. Now, as I have already installed it, so I'll be just straight away diving down to the features that I will get from it. Fine. Now I need to activate this plugin. Now this plugin is already active. I'll show you where this plugin is. I missed it somewhere. Here it is. Sorry, conversion and remarketing code. Fine, it's already active. The moment you will activate the plugin, you can see an option coming down in your setting as remarketing code. Fine, this would be the option which would appear after you install the plugin conversion and remarketing. Just simply need to go out here, remarketing code, and as I have already pasted a few of the codes, fine, so I'll simply go at the bottom of all the codes. Now in this you'd be having two sections, header and a footer. Like when we have read in the instruction, they have clearly instructed that we need to enter it into the header. So we'll just create some space and we'll simply paste the code that we have copied from there. This is the Facebook pixel code. Fine, and it is in the head section. Once you have pasted, save changes, and now just simply need to go to the front end of my website. Why we go to the front end, so that the code, the script gets activated once we are there in the front end section. Right, the moment you will open your website in the front end section after pasting the code, you will receive a small notification also on your Facebook page, fine, or account. Like, let's continue this. Let's close this section. Just a second, my internet is pretty slow, it seems today. Okay, and see, can you see out here in notification of that your pixel code is active now? Simply need to refresh this page. And now the interface should change. Here we go. Fine. Just need to close that earlier part. See, its screen change and the green mark shows that my pixel is active. Fine. So this is the way, this is one of the way through which we can integrate both our website along with our Facebook account, so that there is a flow of data. Like, my Facebook account is aware of what all stuffs are happening on my website, so that we can use the techniques of remarketing and retargeting, so that our ads are more precise and gives a better output. Right? Hope you have understood how to integrate a Facebook pixel on my WordPress website. In case you are having any issues or any concern that you have not understood on the entire video, do leave a message on the comment box. I'll for sure get back to you and give you a better clarity on that section. Okay, hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do subscribe it and like it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.